Hello friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Tri-Light Builders, back at our job site again today. Coffee and Construction in Willo, our historic neighborhood, episode 20. We are in the middle of cabinet install that got started today. Our wonderful cabinet installer and custom cabinet resource, Dan with New Creations, is here, and he has got progress started. We also have some tile work going on and some exterior paint, so I'm excited to show you around the space. Here we are in the kitchen. We're getting things started with this corner, as it's kind of the crux of our installation. Everything is going to work off of it, so we've gone through and worked out the nitty-gritty details of it all, but it looks so good. I'm so excited. And in one of our pictures at the end, I'm going to show you one of my most favorite parts of this cabinet install. Okay, so here we are in the master bathroom. We've got the shower pan started. The gentleman is here from our tile company, working so hard getting the shower pans set so that we can have our curbless shower here in this master shower. Oh, tile work is going on. We've got some door work going on over here. We had to adjust the hinges from one side of the door to the other. So now we've got this gentleman here doing his best to get us a level plumbing square door installed in this opening, which is just fantastic, friends. Here we are outside, friends, and they have painted the garage. Oh, it looks so good, but they're doing such a good job. The walls back here are painted. Our new height stone wall across the back of the yard at the alley, and the new gate is in. And then, gosh, that neighbor's wall, it was such in disrepair beforehand, and now it looks so good, friends. Oh, friends, we've got these guys over here painting. We've got cabinets going in. We've got the shower pan going on. All this work is so exciting to be having happen at this job site, and I just can't wait to be able to share the rest of it with you. Thank you for being on this journey with us. We really appreciate it. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.